तुम रोने लगते हो। You begin to weep. You begin to weep. वह गाली गलौज करने लगा। He began to abuse. He began to abuse. मैं जाने वाला ही था। I was about to go. I was about to go. वह काम करने लगी। She began to work. She began to work. तुम घर पर हो क्या? Are you at home? Are you at home? वह रोना शुरू कर देगा। He will begin to weep. He will begin to weep. क्या आप लोग ठीक हो? Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? तुम्हें जाना होगा। You have to go. You have to go. वह मारपीट करने लगता है। He begins to beat. He begins to beat. हम संगीत की पढ़ाई करते हैं। We study music. We study music. सोच लो। Think about it. Think about it. यह एक किताब है। This is a book. This is a book. वह रोने ही वाली थी। She was about to weep. She was about to weep. गर्मी का मौसम था। It was summer. It was summer. मोटे मत हो जाना। Don't get fat. Don't get fat. वह खड़ा हो गया। He stood up. He stood up. मैं बाइक से जिम जा रहा था। I was going to gym by bike. I was going to gym by bike. वो दोपहर की फ्लाइट से आ रहा है। He is coming by noon flight. He is coming by noon flight. तुम्हारी चाल है। It's your move. It's your move. मुझे इतिहास पसंद है। I like history. I like history. बिस्तर से बाहर निकलो। Get out of bed. Get out of bed. हमारा क्या? What about us? What about us? मैंने ये बात नहीं कही। I didn't make this remark. I didn't make this remark. क्या मैं आपकी सहायता कर सकता हूँ? Can I help you? Can I help you? कोशिश करते रहें। Keep trying. Keep trying. सुरेश आजकल क्या कर रहा है? What is Suresh doing these days? What is Suresh doing these days? तुमने अपने भविष्य के लिए क्या सोचा है? What have you planned for your career? What have you planned for your career? डांस किसने किया? Who danced? Who danced? मुझसे कौन मिलना चाहता है? Who wants to meet me? Who wants to meet me? तुम दफ्तर कैसे जाते हो? हाउ डू यू गो टू ऑफिस? हाउ डू यू गो टू ऑफिस? पुलिस चोर के पीछे पड़ी हुई है। द पुलिस आर आफ्टर द थीफ। द पुलिस आर आफ्टर द थीफ। मैं उनके बाद पहुंचा। I reached after them. I reached after them. हम ये सुबह तक निपटा लेंगे। We will finish it by morning. We will finish it by morning. मुझे किसी के द्वारा रोका गया। I was stopped by someone. I was stopped by someone. मैं अपने प्रोफेसर के पीछे पड़ गया था। I was after my professor. I was after my professor. वो कमरे में जा रहा है। He is going into the room. He is going into the room. मैं आधे घंटे में निकलूंगा। I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. मम्मी कुछ देर से घर पर है। Mom is at home for a while. Mom is at home for a while. सुरेश 2 घंटे से घूम रहा है। सुरेश has been walking for 2 hours. सुरेश has been walking for 2 hours. मैं शाम 5 बजे तक जिम जाता हूँ। I go to gym by 5 p.m. I go to gym by 5 p.m. यह ट्रेन समय से पहले पहुंचेगी। This train will reach before time. This train will reach before time. मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ। I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. ये काम करना कोई बच्चों का खेल नहीं है। Doing this work is not a child's play. Doing this work is not a child's play. तुम्हारे पिताजी की आयु कितनी है? How old is your father? How old is your father? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. मुझे दिल्ली जाना है। I have to go to Delhi. I have to go to Delhi. क्या तुम्हें गोली लग गई थी? Were you shot? Were you shot? उसे छूना मत। Don't touch it. Don't touch it. मैं पढ़ाई के लिए दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ। I'm going to Delhi for study. I'm going to Delhi for study. मैं काफ़ी देर से खेल रहा हूँ। I have been playing for a long. I have been playing for a long. वो कई दिनों से कोशिश कर रहा है। He has been trying for many days. He has been trying for many days. वो दुकान से ये खरीद रहा है। He is buying it from the shop. He is buying it from the shop. मैं कल से काम करूँगा। I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. अब मैं आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ। Now I am standing before you. Now I am standing before you. वो अमेरिका में पढ़ाई करेगा। He will study in America. He will study in America. वो पैसों के लिए यहाँ आया। He came here for money. He came here for money. मैं आऊँगा। I will come. I will come. मुझे केक अच्छा लगता है. I like cake. I like cake. इसे दोबारा पढ़ो. Read it again. Read it again. Thanks for watching.